Hello, I'm Russ, N4RTD, and I'm going to try and smile today because my wife, who's also a ham, says I don't smile when I do these videos. So I am happy to be here today. It is Saturday, July 29th, 2023. We are here at Lake Hartridge Nature Park in Winter Haven, Florida. It's a beautiful park, catching a little bit of interference from the boats, but I have a lot of good footage to show you here today. It was one of our ham's birthdays. Jimmy, KJ4SGJ, celebrated his birthday today, so we got him a cake and had a really good time operating in the park. And by the way, if you don't get out every now and then, you really should. It's definitely a lot of fun to get out, meet other hams, operate somewhere in a park, have people ask questions. It's a lot of fun to do ham radio other than inside the shack. So enjoy the video today. It's a beautiful day here in Winter Haven, Florida.
Yeah, they need to invest in a sign. They need to invest.
Yeah.
Say hello.
Hey guys.
I got a solution for it. Put a millimeter under the truck, they can put a nice hole in it.
I think I hear it.
To the upper level, and then maybe
I got something down here you want to see.
Have any much money? Kind of
Kilo Echo 8 Whiskey Charlie calling CQ and standing by.
Yeah, this is a whole lot of nothing going on here. CQ, Kilo India 4, Mike Tango, Quebec, calling CQ.
So I think what we'll do today is have a little safety spot here right in the middle of the video. And this is Jim, KE8WC from Riverview, Florida.
Hi guys. So today what we're going to talk about is safety. High visibility safety items like this. You can use cones or anything that you have laying around, maybe some of these bongo ties, but mark out your lines somehow. I learned a lesson last time we were in a park. A pickup truck drove across, and luckily it didn't take my wires, but it took the yellow string that I had down next to it. So it got me to thinking, you know, people walk through parks all the time. They walk through dogs, they drive cars through. You don't want somebody to miss your coax or your ground radials, or God forbid, the whole antenna. So mark that stuff out, make sure people can see what you're doing, and and keep yourself safe.
So what did this safety device, what did this safety setup devices cost you there, Jim?
This was $11.97 at Walmart, and you get 25 of them. They had the cones, the little cheap cones. They were a 10-pack for $15.95. But the more the merrier when you're marking out long lengths of coax. Like I got 75 feet there, and I got one about every 8 or 9 feet. So what the hope is somebody would actually see this when they walk through here.
All right, well, appreciate that, Jim. Thank you very much.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come get one of them.
Jimmy, we got a special piece of equipment we brought here for your birthday.
Oh my God, what's that?
Come here, I'll show you.
Oh Lord. Is it a muzzle for my mouth?
Here
Is
comes
that what it
Shannon.
is?
All over here.
Is it a muzzle for my mouth?
We're gonna put a permanent mic and hang it right from your chin.
She was going to use your call sign, but she used your name instead.
Oh my goodness.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday
to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy. Happy birthday to you.
That got me.
Nobody knows what that means. But me, he goes, well, you must have been a barbershop guy. Society for the Preservation and Encouragement of Barbershop Quartet.
Well, this month's theme was back to the basics with regards to coax, cables, connectors. There's a really old VHF, UHF, SWR meter, antenna analyzers, different types of coax, some examples of different types of connectors, whether it's end connectors, PL259s, crimping tools, and of course, after a while of being a ham, you accumulate a various number of connectors. So Bear, where are you operating today?
It's made a big comeback.
We're on 40 meters right now.
40 meters, okay. And you're catching it. All right, so I'm here with Dave, KO4FRZ. Enjoyed talking to him. He's back in town. He came to visit our QRP event today. And last time I talked to him, I think he was coming in on a hotspot on our local D-Star Gateway. So thanks for coming out, Dave. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
A beautiful area to operate. Well, you picked a beautiful place to operate, Jim.
Any place is a great place to have.
That's right. Getting outside is a good place to operate.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Where have you had luck so far?
Well, I just got set up about 10 minutes ago. I figured I would try 17 meters first. Might be a little bit early for the band, but
I heard somebody earlier on 17. My radio's parked on 17 at the moment.
I did make a contact immediately with a gentleman in Wisconsin here, WI9JAY, but it's been slim pickings since then.
Dare, what was that advice you just gave?
Usually, if you're gonna run with the big dogs, you gotta run the gaudiest looking antennas on your truck. And a pickup truck helps because it's higher off the ground. But I don't know, hey, if you're gonna run with the big dogs, you gotta put good antennas on your vehicle.
Well, I'll just stay on the porch, thank you.
You can stay on the porch, don't run with the big dogs, you got it.
I've had some interference from some of those boats with the trolling motors. Kyle and Brooke. You know, when I went out to video near the sign, I didn't realize that I thought I heard a radio out here in the parking lot. This is Daryl, KT4WX is set up out here in the parking lot. I thought I heard a radio sitting out here and operating. So there's nobody around, but he's got his ICOM 705, his Yaesu FT817, his FT2D. I just want to thank everybody for coming out today. What a great time we had at the park here in Winter Haven at Lake Hartridge Nature Park. And it's my friend John, W4JFS.
Yeah, it's been a great day. We are right here on the lake. Last time I checked, 28 in attendance here. Seeing a lot of new faces and some old friends. So thanks everybody for coming out today.
Thank you.